my lovely Aries. Welcome back to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. I want to say thank you all for being here today. Aries, if you guys are interested, I'm excited to announce this. If you guys are interested in getting a video recording just like this, I do recommend checking the description box down below. That is where you will see the link to get your video reading. It will be just like this, but personalized for you and your specific person. So you'll just send the names. We'll look at how you both are feeling about each other, how you both see each other, what your true intentions are, and what it is that you guys should do, and how to take everything right now with you and this person that you're interested in. What is your next action steps? So Aries, if you guys are interested in going deeper and finding out what is going on in your life on a personal level, I do recommend getting that. It is on sale right now for only $25. You can't beat that. So do check that out, Aries. It's a special that I will do for all 12 signs for the rest of the month. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about what's going on in love for you guys. We're going to get into this. So the song that comes up for you guys at this time is The Pressure by Jhené Aiko. The Pressure. And specifically these words: no pressure, no pressure. I know you're real. The pressure will make you feel. Right? So, being that I heard this song as I was channeling you guys' energy, it does feel like one of you in this connection is telling the other person, it's okay. I'm not trying to put any pressure on you, because I already know that your feelings are real. I already know you love me. I already know you care about me. I already know how you feel about me. So, no pressure. Because if I were to put pressure on you, you're going to feel me at a much, much, much deeper level. And I don't know if you are ready for that. So I'm not going to put pressure on you to feel me so deeply, because I'm not sure what kind of connection you really want right now. So that is either coming from the Aries, or it's coming from the person that Aries is interested in. So as we have that energy, let's go into your actual, reading here. So Aries, how do you feel about this person you're interested in? It looks like it feels really good to you to be seen, heard, and felt by this person. So if they've never felt you before, they do now. So this is exactly coinciding with the song lyrics. So Aries, this must be you. This must be coming from your perspective. You must be trying to tell your person, I'm not trying to put pressure on you. That wasn't my intentions to do that. But now that I have done it by mistake, you could feel it. And I know you can feel it. And I know that you know that my love is real. And I know that your love for me is real. I'm sorry I didn't want to make you feel, but I know you do now. You have feelings for me. Right? So that's this energy, right? The Aries, that is this energy that's coming through really strongly for you guys. So this person is like all up in your energy. They're all in your field of energy here, Aries. It's like this person is meshing with you. What I'm getting here is when light hits an object and creates a beam, and it looks like a reflection. That's what's going on here. It's like your light has hit this person and has expanded their horizons, and you have created a remarkable impression for this person that they'll never be able to forget, Aries. This is someone where you are that spark of light that went straight to the core of this person's soul. You pierced them with your divinity. Something that people don't get to with this person. People don't get a chance to get there with this kind of person. People don't show themselves in this way when they first meet this person. Typically, people that this person meets are driven by sex or lust or money. But you didn't come across this way, Aries. What you showed this person first was your soul before anything else. And because of that, there is a really, really deep resonance with you that lives within this person's heart. What you have done is change this person's entire perception of love. So they feel love. They can, for the first time, they can identify a real love because of you, Aries. So what I'm getting here is that this person seems to be all into you in your business, in your face, in your world, in your life. This person is investing in you in a new way at this time as well. And they just want you. And they are positively approaching you at this time with new motives and different intentions. This person wants to be super, super close to you, and they are. They have a super close connection to you, and it's an exclusive connection with you. And right now, this is putting them in the mindset of wanting to reel you in much closer than that. This person's energy is pulling so strongly on you, Aries, and they're like, how can I pull the Aries all the way in? Like, I want this person, like if you guys were, or if you in the future, if you were to be physical with this person, they would be inside of the deepest, warmest place of your body. A place that they're going to try their best to find. A place that no one else has found. I'm telling you, Aries, this person, when they look at you in your eyes, or when they feel your energy, or when they can see your love for them, or when they just stand at a distance and admire you, this person gets so weak. You weaken this person. They absolutely love you so much. So don't be surprised if what you're going to be getting from this person, Aries, is more sexual, passionate energy. Because what is happening, and this is all spiritual, what is happening is that this person's sacral chakra is spinning, Aries, spinning out of control. So if you notice that this person incorporates more orange, more orange, burnt orange, like fall-like colors, that is because not only because we're coming up on fall time, but also because spiritually this person's going to be in that type of energy toward you, Aries. So pay attention to the clothes they wear, even the drinks they choose out the store. Things like that, because this person wants you, and it's an expression, an artistic expression of how they feel about you at this time. So wow, amazing. So we never really looked at how you feel, but it's because your person's energy is so big right now for you. So this person feels lucky, so lucky to have you on their side. They want to be with you more now. I feel like this person feels this way because they understand what they want from you and what they need for this connection to work. They're hopeful and determined to give you passion that you've never felt before. I'm telling you, this person is really on you. They are connected to you so deeply, so strongly right now, loving the way that you look with no makeup on. That's another thing. They feel like you are the most beautiful when you have on no makeup, when you're just natural, pure, you're just being yourself. A lot of you Aries are always like that, right? A lot of you are always natural, like a natural goddess, a natural feline type of energy. And this person loves that feline, divine, feminine, womanly vibe about you. Maybe that could be what it is, Aries. Maybe you're wearing more feminine attire. Maybe you're super, super tapped into your feminine energy. You're really, really in your divine feminine energy. You are being more like delicate, sensual, erotic. You're tapped into something. And this person, that thing that you're tapped into, your person notices every little detail about this. And they're so into you. This is what they love. This is what they love, okay? Now, how do you see your person? I feel like you see this person really needing to be careful what they wish for, because a wish that they have with you could be granted. You can give them everything that they want from you. You can grant their wishes. You can give them the type of experience that they're seeking, because this person is seeking a one-of-a-kind, rare, spiritual, tantric, passionate, steamy, romantic kind of situation with you, Aries. And you can give it. But this person has to really want to do it. For some of you, this person could be a life path 835, or this is someone who maybe the numbers 8, 3, or 5 is significant to them in any kind of way. It could be dates, it could be their lucky numbers, whatever. 8, 3, and 5, that's what I'm getting here. This person, you can make their dreams a reality. That's what you're telling them, right? You can make their dreams a reality, okay? And so this person, how they see you as the ultimate manifestation of everything that they've ever wanted. Like, hands down, this person is so focused on this vision that they have for themselves. They are visualizing a future with you, a dream life with you. They could be telling other people about their plans they have for you, Aries, what is seen and what is not seen, what they see in you, how they feel about you, what they want. They're conversing with people, getting their thoughts out about you. But this is someone who they see that everything that they've ever wanted in a partner, from morals and values to appearance, to sex drive, to femininity, to your mindset, your ambition, your creativity, your dreams, your desires, your passions. You are the walking manifestation, the living, breathing manifestation of the perfect girl or the perfect guy. If you are a female watching, you are exactly what this person said that they wanted, and they have it right in front of them, and they can't believe it. So the numbers 19, 1, 9, or 10 could be relevant to this person or to you, okay? Like I said, could be life path numbers, could be birth dates, could be any other information. But there is something about all of these numbers, okay, that is relevant at this time. So Aries, that's all I have. I hope that this helps you guys. Again, if you guys are interested in going deeper by seeing exactly what's going on with you and your specific person, because this is so general, right? And if you want to look deeper into all of this and really know how your person feels, I recommend getting the video while it's on sale this month. Thank you so much, Aries. God bless.